Benvenuti in Lovato Autogas. Grazie a questo video potrete assistere all'installazione guidata dell'impianto ad iniezione gassosa sequenziale Easy Fast. Le 3 fasi principali del video vi illustreranno le semplici operazioni da effettuare per poter installare Easy Fast. L'inserimento dei componenti del kit nella zona motore, l'allestimento della parte posteriore del veicolo con il serbatoio, l'installazione del software per la taratura della centralina elettronica. Lovato Autogas augura a tutti voi buona visione.
Now let's see how to install the Easy Fast methane system. Open the engine compartment and disconnect the battery. Then remove the intake manifold on which the gas nozzles will be mounted. When you have removed the manifold, take the measurements for drilling the holes where the nozzles will be fitted. Mark the exact spot and drill the holes, paying special attention to the right inclination of the holes. Then make the thread in the holes. Apply a drop of sealant to the nozzles and fit them on the manifold without pushing them too hard. When the nozzles are fitted, you can install the special approved gas hoses, which must be firmly fixed in place with the clamps. Remount the manifold and cut all the hoses to the same length. The MAP signal is taken from the butterfly body downstream from the throttle valve, using the same nozzle that is used in the manifold. Depending on the engine capacity and HP, select the calibrated nozzles to mount on the rail. The measurement is given by the letter printed on the nozzle. Once the nozzles are fitted to the injectors, the rail must be connected to the manifold gas hoses. Then fix it firmly to the engine using the supplied bracket. To install the RMJ gas reduction unit, the pipes of the car cooling system need to be cut near the bulkhead dividing the engine compartment from the passenger compartment, preventing the liquid from leaking with a pair of pliers. Prepare the T-couplings on the water hoses in the kit and ensure they are the correct length. And then connect the water hoses to the original car circuit and the reducer couplings. When the water hoses are fixed in place, screw the reducer to the fixing bracket mounted on the bodywork. Install the methane filter with sensors between the reduction unit and the rail, paying attention it is fitted with the correct orientation. The electric wiring connector is then connected to this plug. As you can see, the gas passes into the filter from the reducer, where all impurities are filtered out and the pressure and temperature levels are read. After passing through the filter, the gas goes to the injector rail. At the same time, the MAP signal is taken from the butterfly body downstream from the throttle valve. It enters the FSU filter in the opposite direction and the value is read. And it then enters the top of the reducer to offset the outlet pressure, which is regulated by the screw. The metal pipe from the tank reaches the charge valve that, via the tap, allows the cylinder to be refilled or the gas to be sent to the reduction unit. The electronic unit that manages the gas system must be installed in a convenient area to make connection of the harness easy and to protect from water spray at the same time. The unit has two connectors of different colors to prevent any errors in the electric wiring. All the components are prepared with their own specific connectors, which are all different from each other to make wiring fast and error-free. The petrol injector and gas injector cutoff wires are marked with letters to ensure they are connected respecting the original injection sequence. After taking the harness to the passenger compartment, install the switch, making the switching between petrol and gas possible. Obviously, it shall have to be placed inside the car, in a visible and handy position. When the electric wiring is complete, you can install the fuse. Now we will see how the rear part of the vehicle is prepared. The cylinder feeding the gas system must be placed in the car boot. To install, use a cradle support secured to the bottom and some metal belts bolted to the cradle itself. The cylinder is fitted with a tap to open and close it. A corrugated pipe is connected to the tap, acting as a vent, as well as the feeding pipe inside a corrugated pipe too, connecting it to the charge valve and the reduction unit. When the plant has been installed, remount the original components and fill up with fuel to enable configuring and setting the system from your PC and to carry out the road test. Connect a portable PC to the control unit for configuring and setting the system, using the serial cable connected to the diagnosis socket and a hardware key. Start the program and open the configuration page, which shows the basic settings for the control unit functions. Once the control unit has been configured, begin the auto calibration program, which automatically creates the system function mapping. To complete the procedure, check that everything is in perfect working order using an OBD2 tester, which gives a dynamic control of the settings of both the minimum functions and on-road functions when the vehicle is being driven.